When considering LessAccounting, there are several factors to weigh before making your purchase. Here are 12 things you need to know before deciding if it's the right accounting software for your business. First off, LessAccounting is designed for simplicity, which makes it a great choice for small businesses or freelancers who aren't accountants. But while it's easy to use, that simplicity also means it lacks some of the more advanced features found in competitors like QuickBooks or Xero. So, if you need complex reports or detailed tracking, you might want to consider those alternatives. Next thing, LessAccounting is cloud-based, meaning you can access your data from anywhere. But, unlike some of the more established names, it doesn't offer desktop versions, which could be a deal breaker for those who need offline access. It's something to think about if your internet connection isn't always reliable. The third thing to know is that LessAccounting focuses heavily on invoicing and expense tracking. If your business revolves around managing invoices and keeping tabs on your spending, LessAccounting shines here. However, other software like FreshBooks or Wave also offer these features, with additional functionalities such as project management and time tracking. The fourth thing is its customer support. LessAccounting provides phone support and email help, but its response time can sometimes be slower compared to competitors like QuickBooks, who offer 24/7 support. If you expect round-the-clock help, this could be a drawback. Now, the fifth thing, LessAccounting doesn't offer payroll features, which might be a problem if you're running a business with employees. Competitors like Gusto and QuickBooks offer built-in payroll processing, making them more appealing if you need that functionality. The sixth thing to mention is its pricing. LessAccounting is fairly affordable, especially for freelancers and small businesses. However, compared to free options like Wave, it might not be the best value unless you're willing to pay for simplicity. The seventh thing is its integration capabilities. LessAccounting integrates with popular apps like PayPal, Stripe, and banks, which makes syncing your data fairly easy. But when compared to the extensive third-party integrations of QuickBooks or Xero, LessAccounting might feel a bit limited. The eighth thing to know is that LessAccounting offers basic financial reporting, but it's not as comprehensive as what you get with QuickBooks or Xero. If you need detailed balance sheets, profit and loss reports, or tax calculations, those tools have the edge. The ninth thing to consider is the mobile app. LessAccounting has a mobile app, but its functionality isn't as robust as the mobile apps offered by FreshBooks or QuickBooks. If you're looking to handle everything from your phone, those competitors might offer a smoother experience. The 10th thing is that LessAccounting focuses mostly on freelancers and small businesses. If you're a large company with complex accounting needs, LessAccounting's basic feature set may not be enough. Larger businesses would benefit more from QuickBooks or Sage Intacct. The 11th thing is its ease of use. One of LessAccounting's strongest points is its user-friendly interface. It doesn't have the steep learning curve that you'll often find with bigger, more complicated platforms. This can save you a lot of time and frustration. Finally, the 12th thing. While LessAccounting is a solid choice for freelancers and small business owners, if you're looking for something with more features or scalability, you might want to check out other software options. QuickBooks, for example, offers a wider array of features that can grow with your business. So, is LessAccounting a good choice? Absolutely, especially for small businesses or freelancers who need simplicity. But if you're looking for more advanced features or better integrations, it might not be your best bet. If you're interested, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free to see if it fits your needs.